Hello, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a trunk club. Trunk club is a styling service by Nordstrom. Give them $25, fill out a style profile. In that style profile, you tell them what you like, what your style is, what you're looking for, etc. They'll curate a box of 10 items, send you a preview. You choose up to 10 items, or you can decline and they'll replace them. But once you decline and replace them, what is a replacement is a mystery. So if you have the Nordstrom credit card, the entire styling fee is waived. Whatever you keep in the box, if you did pay a styling fee, it is applied to any of your purchases. And whatever you don't want, just ship it back into the box, put it in the box, call FedEx, they'll pick it up. Service is free both ways. So I get it, I have the credit card, so I don't pay anything for my trunks. So first up is a dress that's entirely too small for me. So I had given them pictures of dresses I was looking for. I'm looking for either a dress or skirt that is an A-line shape with like ruffles, eyelet, pure white, maybe scallop detail, kind of bohemian looking. So like a skirt or a dress. And she sends this to me and she says, I know this is out of your price range, Kellen, but I think this dress will look fantastic on you. And I always declined it because one, it was a mini dress, two, it's a straighter style, right? But I was like, all right, she made me feel guilty. I'll try it because she said, I think it would look fabulous on you. I didn't pay attention to the size when I said that. In jeans, I can wear a size 25, which equates to a 0 or 1, I guess, depending on where you're at, who you ask. In dresses, I definitely need a size 2 for mostly my bust, but as you can see here, it's too tight on my hips as well too. So this was sent to me in a size 0, which if I saw that it was in a size 0 and I was paying attention, I wouldn't have gotten it. I would have declined it, or I would have exchanged the size. But I didn't pay attention, so it came to me. So I'm not going to turn around for you because this dress is entirely too tight and I cannot get the zipper up. I'm talking about like halfway up. But I wanted to show you the dress just in case you were interested in it. It is the Club Monaco Pinstripe Square Neck Linen Blend Dress in stripe. And it has a fine, I would say maybe a black stripe that goes down it vertically. Mini blend dress, and it's $169.50. I purposely kept my bra on this for you. Just so that you can see that it is not bra friendly. It has a square neck and you would have to wear a strapless bra with it. I will also, when I take it off, not in front of you guys obviously, and when I try on the next outfit, I will show you the back of it like as I take it off. There are buttons in the back which I don't think are adjustable, but I just wanted to show you there is like a button back detail on the straps. Okay, so this is the Club Monaco Pinstripe Square Neck Linen Blend Mini Dress, $169.50. The next thing that I have to show you is this necklace. This came over to me like a twisted mess, and I had to untwist it, and I keep untangling it, okay? Whoops, as I drop my little note here. This is the curb chain paddock, and there's like a little paddock lock pendant on here. Pendant multi-layer necklace in the color clear gold, and it's $59. This will also be going back because it was a tangled mess when I received it. All right, the third item in here, which is my yay item, are the Steve Madden Teles sandal, size 7 in white leather for $99.95. If you guys recall, and I'll pan you down, if you guys recall, I had asked for I had my eyes on some Sam Edelman slides, and I love them. And I actually received them 2 times in my trunk, and I changed them back, sent them back both times because of the price. They were $150 for slides, and I just couldn't justify the price. I really liked them. But now that I have these are $100. I think I can justify this. And these are going to be a keeper. So 1 win out of this box already. So first outfit, 1 win. All right, give me a minute and I'll do the next outfit. Okay, first I want to show you the necklace to show you how it's closed, so you can just pull it apart and you can wear these chains individually in case you were interested in this necklace. I personally wouldn't recommend it because it keeps tangling up, but in case you were, and I'll leave all the item descriptions in the comments below, so not the comments, but the descriptions below, so you can see in case you want to order it yourself. So it does make it easy that you can just slide that on and slide that off, but it doesn't seem to keep these things from tangling up, as you can see. They got tangled again. So this is a no. And then I wanted you to see the dress I was wearing. It does have this button back detail. They're just for show. They're not functioning buttons, all right? They're a tortoiseshell in the back. So that's that dress, and the necklace. And a close-up for the shoes, I would say it's probably, what, like a 3-inch heel, and it has stitching down here. So these are my style. I'm keeping these. A dress that I did originally want. It's the One State Flutter Sleeve Smocked Mini Dress for $89. So I'll tell you the things that I like about this dress. I like the eyelet detail. I like the ruffles. I like the femininity. I don't like the length. I really don't want a mini dress, but because I'm only 5'2", mini can be anything for me. It's a little bit too short for what I was looking for. I would have preferred it maybe an inch longer. So it's not terribly mini on me. Yes, I can wear this. Like, here's my fingertips, so it's definitely longer than my fingertips. It's not like super mini. But for what I was looking for something just a tad bit longer. Second, this has a print in it on it. It's ecru or off-white with blue flowers. Now, it's very pretty, but I was looking for a pure, stark white dress. So that's 2 strikes that it's out. And 3, I'm looking for not this collar, all right? This has 2 buttons in the back, and I'm not even buttoning them. The collar is so tight around my neck. So this is a no. This is an extra small. I would say it fits everywhere well. It's just the neck that doesn't fit. I don't know whose neck this is made for, but this is a teeny tiny neck and it's like strangling me. All right, I'll come a little closer so you can see the pattern. Okay. It is a pretty pattern and it is a pretty dress. So if this is something that interests you, I would definitely say go for it. And here's the back of it. All right, so you can get an idea. All right, next outfit. Give me a minute. Up next are 2 things I did not request. These are my surprises in the box. I try not to decline items because I find whenever I decline an item, they throw in the most random things, including things that aren't my size. And I check my profile. It says size 2 for a dress or an extra small. It says size 25 for jeans, and it says extra small for tops, all right? Well, they sent me the right size in the jean shorts. I don't need jean shorts. I don't know why they sent jean shorts, but they sent BLANKNYC boyfriend jean shorts size 25 for $68. All right, I like jean shorts, and I will wear jean shorts. I will even wear 3.5 4-inch jean shorts. Here's where my fingertips are. Look at where these jean shorts come to. All right, I am going to turn around in this. Hopefully I don't flash you, but you'll see how short they are in the back. I feel like my tush is gonna come flying right out of them. That's how short they are. So these would be definitely a no. They're cute though. I mean, if you don't mind wearing shorts, go for it. They're very, very comfortable. They're a looser fit because they're boyfriend. There's plenty of room in the waist in them. Matter of fact, there's so much room I think I could pull them down on me without unbuttoning them. So they're very, very cute, which is way too short, and plus I don't need jean shorts. All right, the next thing that they threw in, which is not my size, is this, let's see, what do they call this? The Halogen Raw Edge Tank in Ivory Cloud, an extra, extra small. I also give them my bra size too. I'm a 34C. I don't know too many 34Cs can wear a double extra small. So it's like they randomly throw in like things that I didn't ask for and that are not in my size in my trunk, hoping that I'll keep them, I guess. But it's too tight here across the bust. There's no way. It's not my size. And I think I'm gonna actually email them, not through the messages, but like try and find out like Trump Clubs things and ask to speak to a manager and say, why is it you constantly send me the wrong size. They're always sizing down on me. I'm small. I am small. Don't get me wrong, but I'm not that small. All right, so this is definitely going back, and the shorts are going back as I just do not need them, and they're just too short for my preferences. Okay, next outfit. Okay, next up is the Vince Camuto print V-neck rich black is the color they're calling this. Top for $59 in extra small. If I were still working outside, you know, the home, I work at home now, I might consider a blouse like this, but I'm not, and I specifically did not ask for blouses. I'm looking for like casual summer dresses or cute little summer dresses to go to a barbecue, and shorts that are printed, not jean shorts, and cute tops and tank tops. So a blouse is the last thing I need. So I did not request this. They threw this in the box when I declined something. And again, they sent it in an extra small. Now this time, the extra small works out. There's plenty of room in here for me, and this fits in an extra small. So I can't complain about the size on this, but it wasn't something I requested. I'll come a little closer so you can see it's an animal print, all right? So you can see how if the leopard is. It's like a tan, black, and then a brown in the center. All right, I'll show you the back of it. It's just pullover style, no buttons, split V-neck. If I were still working, I'd be all over it, you know, but I'm not. And I honestly think for $59 for this, I think you can do better too. I think I've seen these on sale before. I think maybe even the Nordstrom anniversary sale has these Vince Camuto blouses on sale. So this is also going back. Okay, give me a minute and I'll show you the next item. Okay, next up is this Splendid tank. Now I did ask for tees and tanks, and I did accept this, but I knew when I accepted it that I'd be sending it back. But as I said, I accept things just to try it on to see if I like it, and if I do, then I just put it on my wish list and watch for a sale. So this is by Splendid, and it's $58 tank. As you can see, it's too small, and my bra is showing through the sides. And yes, I could wear a strapless with this, but it's just not wide enough to cover my bosom. So it's stretching out here, and obviously I show on the sides. So this is a no. I wanted to, you know, see, and I would never buy a tank like this for $58. That's crazy. But it is a very nice quality. If this was like 30 bucks, I'd be jumping all over it. And if it fit, maybe if I go up a size, it would fit. But I'm sure it would be rather long on me in the next size up. Like I said, if it goes on sale for 30 bucks and a regular small versus an extra small fit me, I would take it, but not for $58. To me, that is insane, okay? So this is the tank. Let me show you the back of it. And I kept on my regular bra just so you can see that it is not bra friendly. And like I said, it's literally exposing my bra here because it's not wide enough across the top. All right, next item is my jacket by Zella. This is the Zella Studio Light Rib Tracksuit Jacket in blue Thistle for $89. Now, the other day I was complaining about the junky Stitch Fix one they sent that was so thin I felt like it could, like, paper thin like a snag. This is a much better quality. This is not as nice as the Sweaty Betty one that I wanted, but this is nice quality. All right. I do like this. I don't know if I know I'm ready for $89 worth. I think I'd rather have the Sweaty Betty one go on sale. Ooh, and this is a little snug, and this is an extra small, so I would have to size up. This is very snug on me. All right. So this is a no for size. There are thumb holes in it, and the sleeves are too long. So the fit on this just doesn't fit me. It's too narrow in here, and it's way too long in the sleeves. I'd have to go like this and bunch them up around my elbows. All right, so this is a no for me because of a size issue. Plus, I really like that Sweaty Betty one. All right, 2 zipper pockets down here on the side. Zip up front. Let's see if there's anything else. I think that's it. All right, here's the back of it, so you can get an idea. All right, so this is a no for me, and this is going back. I was hoping this would be a yes, but it is a no, all right? One last item. Give me a minute. Okay, this is a riot. My last thing that I got, and you wouldn't know why it's a riot, is this bodysuit. Now, I did ask for either a mock neck top or bodysuit Okay, this is the Naked Wardrobe Raw Snatch Edge Bodysuit, all right, for $42, size extra small. All right, you got to see this. This is the neck opening, okay? This is the neck opening. All right, there is no buttons or zippers on this other than the snap bottom, okay? So the only way to get this on you is to pull from the top and put it over your head. I couldn't get this over my head. All right, I was stretching and stretching and stretching it. And then I finally got it over my head. And then once I got it over my head, all right, this is me, all right? This is the top here. This was not stretching. This is, this is about as much as goes. This is not getting over me. I am, like, again, I am not, you know, I am wearing like a size extra small from Loft. So I'm not tiny. I'm not extra small, right? But I don't even think an extra small person could fit this. I mean, look at this. It's like Barbie doll size. I mean, who could fit this? All right, so this is pretty funny. I couldn't get it over my head, right? And then when I finally pulled it over my head, it was just stuck here. I almost had to call my daughter down to get me out of it. So obviously this is going back. This does not work out. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You know, just click subscribe, click that notification bell. You get notified of future videos from me. Click that thumbs up. This box was a mix mash. I am keeping a pair of shoes out of it, and that's $100, and I am happy with that. But some of the other items and the way they fit is just bizarre. All right, take care, and until next time.